Hola! Today we're learning about el tiempo, the weather. We're learning to ask and answer questions. And today's question is, ¿Qué tiempo hace? What is the weather like? Hace sol. It's sunny. Hace sol. Hace calor. It's hot. Hace calor. Está lloviendo. It's raining. Está lloviendo. Hace viento. It's windy. Hace viento. Está nevando. It's snowing. Está nevando. Hace frío. It's cold. Hace frío. Today your challenge is to pick one of these tasks. You could write the questions and answers in your jotter. You could practice them with your toys or someone in your house. You could create a video. You could create a PowerPoint and add speech. You'll only get better the more you practice. Extension, if you're a native Spanish speaker, you could create a written weather report.